dia kena bully daripada darjah 1. Now dia dah darjah 4. It started to get worse and worse. A few days ago was yang paling teruk where it became sangat-sangat physical. Pergi hospital. They all investigated and said, this one sorry, you kena buat laporan polis. So, pergi buat laporan polis. Apparently this bully memang is a bully lah. Dia bukan bully anak saya saja. A lot of the parents had complained pada sekolah, tapi apparently there was no tindakan. Bila dia explain a lot of things, baru I sedar actually all the symptoms dah ada. Body dia tak boleh control, which is like dia akan terberak atau terkencing dalam seluar walaupun dah umur 10 tahun. Trauma. Bila nak tidur pun malam-malam dia akan meracau. He'll say stuff like jangan pukul, jangan pukul. Dia mandi dan mak dia perasan, what's that on your body? And then mak dia terus examine betul-betul, ambil gambar semua video badan dia. Ada kesan tapak kasut dekat perut dengan dada dia. The bengkak shape is in the shape of the kasut. Basically kan 4 orang duk pegang dia. Semua pegang lengan dia. Dan satu lagi duk tendang tumbuk dia. Nak bayangkan anak helpless macam tu. Sorry. Mostly I rasa geram sebab I should have been preparing him how to stand up for himself. Sebab I know benda ni akan berlaku. He needs to be prepared sebab dunia ni is tough.